Hello guys, welcome back to 99 Reviews, a tech related YouTube channel. If you don't want to work on YouTube but you want to earn from it, then this video is for you. Because in this video I will tell you how to earn money on YouTube with just copy paste videos. It is 100% legal and you will get paid like other YouTubers. The idea is to upload meditation and relaxing videos where you will get the videos and music and also how you can edit it and upload it to your YouTube channel with a little bit of SEO. I will show you everything in this video. Before we move to the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Now I suppose you already have a YouTube channel. If not, then go and create one. It is very simple. Then open a website pixabay.com, which is a very good website to get free images and videos which don't even require any attributes. Now let's search for meditation and relaxation videos on YouTube to have a good idea about the videos we are going to make. Here you will see a lot of videos with millions of views. These type of videos get too many views, and it is not necessary that you will get views on every video, but even if one of your videos start getting views, then you can earn a lot of money from only one video. Okay, now the question is, how can we create these type of videos? It is very simple. You just have to get a video from one place like Pixabay and then get a nice free music from YouTube audio library and then mix them together on any basic video editor and your video is ready. Let me show you how. Let's download few videos from Pixabay and then go to YouTube audio library to find the best music for our video. When you have downloaded all the videos and audios, then you can use any basic video editor on your computer or mobile to merge these videos and audios together. And you will have this kind of final video. Now let's upload it to our YouTube channel now. You have to find a proper title for it. You can get ideas from YouTube search videos, and same for the description and tags. For thumbnail, I recommend Canva, which is free to use, and you can create your thumbnails there. And that's it, our video is ready and uploaded to our YouTube channel. This video will get views and is totally legal and can be monetized. You will get no copyright claims on this video. So I hope this idea will help you a lot. Remember me in your prayers, and I will see you next time. Peace.